Now looking at a resistance band lat pull down, you'll need a little bit extra equipment for this one because you're going to need something like a door anchor to attach the bands into a door frame, or a pole or something that you could wrap the bands around, but you need something to attach your bands to at a higher point. So you can do this on your knees, or if you can get it really high, you could do this standing, but most likely you'll be doing it from your knees with them in a door frame or attached to a pole or a beam or something like that in your house, or a chin-up bar. But anyways, regardless, you're gonna have these attached above your head. You're gonna grab one of your bands, and basically you're gonna get underneath of it here, grabbing the band on each side, keeping your chest up, and you're just gonna get a nice strong pull straight down, just like you would on a cable machine, pulling straight down, right? Keeping the band a little bit tight at the top, then driving, squeezing your shoulder, your elbows down and back as you are pulling that band down, making sure that you're not pulling like this, right? You want to be chest up, squeezing your shoulders down, almost like you're trying to pull your shoulder blades into your back pockets, right? So big pull straight down. The other way you could do this is if you had two resistance bands of the same resistance, the same weight, you could actually do it with both of them, and that would add just a little bit more resistance because you'd be pulling the full band in each arm as you are pulling down. But regardless, whatever you have set up, that is the motion that you're trying to achieve. Just getting it straight down, chest up, and driving your elbows and shoulders down and back.